in part 3. He's a very angry boy. You sucked up all the oxygen.
Damn sleep on. Niggas hogging up the whole bed like you're somebody.
All of it is girl and whatnot. I'm afraid he's gonna hit me.
Stop rubbing your foot. I don't care. Stop freaking yourself. Get out of here.
Well, look at the fissy business under the bed.
I don't like that. I don't like it. Don't do that. Don't do that with people anymore again. Stop it.
Maybe cats?
No. That's a little illegal animal abuse. Oh. Start snoring again.
I know, it was hella funny. You done sucked up all the oxygen in the bedroom.
No wonder I can't breathe. Jeez.
Oh, I think he's done.